Manipur Police brings back wanted chairman of proscribed Kangleipak Communist Party People's War Group, Lamyan Bakuman, and his associate under tight security in Imphal. Unceasing sand quarrying activities using heavy machineries in spite of High Court's ban pollute Imphal River. And Minister-led Hawkip appeals to destroying playgrounds in the name of construction, assures of revamping Lilong Chajing Kangsebong under Khelo India. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangusam Shalir with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur Police brought back the wanted chairman of the proscribed Kangleipak Communist Party People's War Group, KCP PWZ Lamyan Bakuman alias Laisham Mongoljao, under tight security in Imphal today. Lamyan Bakuman was flown in from New Delhi with Air Asia flight IF-783, which landed at the Imphal International Airport at 10:50 a.m. His associate, Hizbur Rahman Ilyas Itemja, son of Muhammad Babu from Soramaning Lekai, was also brought back to Imphal under strict security today. He landed at the Imphal International Airport from Delhi at around 1:30 p.m. A joint team of Delhi Police Special Cell Southwest Range and Manipur Police, led by Imphal East District Police, Additional SP Operation Roni Mayengbam, arrested Lamyan Bakuman and his associate, Hizbur Rahman, at Burari's Nirankari Sarobar bus stand in Delhi on March 1. The court has issued non-bailable warrants against him. It may be mentioned that Lamyan Bakuman and Hizbur Rahman are not only accused of carrying out extortion from businessmen and politicians, but they are also accused of carrying out terror activities like hurling of grenades. Manipur Police had earlier announced a bounty of 1 lakh rupees to anyone who can provide whereabouts of the proscribed chairman. Imphal East District Police SP Hawizam Joget Chandra has briefed media person about the capture of KCP PWZ chairman Lamyan Bakuman and his associate Hizbur Rahman. Speaking to media at Imphal East District Police SP office in Porampat this evening, SP Joget Chandra said 43 years old Lamyan Bakuman is the son of Laisham Mano from Awangkuno Mayay Lekai in Imphal West District. He said acting on a tip-off under the strict instruction of IG Joint 1, Clay Khongsai, the Manipur Police team led by Imphal East District Police Additional SP Roni Mayengbam along with Delhi Police Special Cell Southwest Range arrested Lamyan Bakuman and his associate Hizbur Rahman in Delhi. SP Joget Chandra disclosed that 2 mobile phones along with Nepal SIM cards, 1/10 ringgit, 1 letterhead of KCP, audios, videos and message chats were recovered from them and further investigations are underway.
Delhi area da KCP PWZ gi yamaru ba chairman asi lai reba paw ma khoi gi source ma phangudagi deputy torga ada salamatung da akoi nahandagi Delhi police ka loina na operation tawduna mafam da koi thi da humba chathabani thiba humba chatha matam da KCP PWZ gi chairman akoi gi Laisram Mangonjau Singh Elias Lamyan Bakuman amasung magi associate oiba Hizbur Rahman phaba ngamgi mase akoi gi overall guidance of IG Zone 1 Sir Clay Khongsai gi makha da khoi operation se chathabani Manipur da bomb plan tawriba extortion network ama run tawriba mission school singsi da kuina chatharaiba bomb pokai handana dagi school thingdale khochale ena tawdana tawriba mayam asi sigi maru oiba yamna lead oiba miyo amani magi kuthangda magi follower kaya ama thadoga bomb blast tawdana demand tawdana international lamsung terrorist activities amasung unlawful activities kaya ama execute tawdana makoi da chenari ba case duki matik yami si phadri mamang da khoina January tha da moi si non bailable warrant lama akoi na Imphal East District Police na execute tawraga thinana ba koi Delhi da January tha da khoi kan honarakpani.
Unceasing sand quarrying activities despite a ban by the High Court of Manipur have polluted the Imphal River. Impact News reporter Elangbam Musuk and camera person El Kabi brings to you an exclusive report.
Springing from the Kobru Hills, the Imphal River flows through the heart of Imphal city, becoming a major source of sustenance for the valley dwellers. The river water is clear till Modbung village in Kangpokpi district. People are still carrying out sand and stone quarrying activities at the Imphal River, starting from Chalbung village in Kangpokpi district, in straight violation of the ban on the same imposed by the High Court of Manipur on July 3, 2019. Sand quarrying activities at the riverbed using heavy machineries pose major threats to people living in the vicinity.
Some areaꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯨꯔꯦꯟꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯔꯒ ꯍꯤꯡꯖꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯆꯤꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯁꯨꯐꯝꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ.
Such activities have not only polluted the river water but have also created deep craters on the riverbeds, obstructing free flow of the river.
Ji turen manung je hanagi phemda koi nupi ngangna chalaga phi suba irujabati atui condition lama ji yam ba leitre.
Loi pukhi sagai kot khaiba jise pina kolabania turen do pukhi jau lai khra maram chana chendra ising loi thingare amta laktre ising
loi hazin baduna aduna haji kaim sizinadre khoi toti laga toti dagi sizinare laktraga na ising adum leire
leina ngakta chelaktana khoi ising leira ga sinai.
Meanwhile, stone crusher of Shivalaya Constructions Company Private Limited, kept in the Imphal River bank at Song village in Sekmai, is contributing a great deal in polluting the river water.
Shivalaya ki sarkar na miyeng kha changbiro moi ki tawdoriba mafam si moi ki chawraba pukhi ma tawraga thamge su thamo adu natana moi ising free da thadaraga tawr pasidi ising chari thai basida ko yam sokwa leibani na ko na thabak suba lakpada uriba mayam se akoi tasengna nungai jadre haba.
For Impact News reporter Ilangba Mushuk and camera person El Kabi, this is Joyce Usham, Impact News, Imphal.
National People's Party NPP Manipur State Unit paid homage to former President of National People's Party NPP cum former Lok Sabha Speaker Bruno Agitok Sangma on his 4th death anniversary today. People paid floral tributes to the portrait of P.A. Sangma at the memorial observance held at the NPP office in Sangay Pro. Speaking on the sidelines, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar said, "Let Bruno Agito Sangma promoted NPP, which originated from Manipur at the national level." He said words will fail to describe Let P.A. Sangma's contribution to the Northeast. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar, President of the NPP Manipur State Unit, Thangmilan Kipgint, and many party workers attended the event.
P.A. Sangmanasu, my NCPC Tadoga, as I regional party man, I'm kind of the Tirapa and the Sumba, Quiggy, NPPC, Lay Habis Pangade, Kangudi, Malaga, Seda Mayanaga, and Government Tamilin Chapsud, Party, the Lady Brancali, Uneri Harga. Asi September say see on lucky. Ado amoram dai tagadi we all Canada we ought to see P.A. Sangma. Koi Manipur de ngakten targeti ngasi koi NPP le film se smai on a national level adugo in particular regional level da particularly notice that yamna important ba yamna powerful ba adugo party mo oi pa se mo in the P.A. Sangma jina mana adopt nurture
One-day workshop on the uses of Geographic Information System, GIS technology, and remote sensing in planning and monitoring of various projects of line departments in Manipur was held at Hotel Imphal today. Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center, MARSAC, and S3 India Private Limited organized the workshop jointly on the theme GIS Technology Vision and Disaster Management System of Manipur. Speaking on the sidelines, MARSAC Director Dr. Andran Diri said every department in Manipur require remote sensing data and GIS software is required to analyze the data. He said the workshop aimed to stress the responsibilities of each department and to identify the problems facing them to bring solutions. A live demo of the air vehicle drone produced by Science and Technology Park of Pune University was shown at the workshop. Dr. N. Randir mentioned that GIS drones are being utilized for various sericulture and PMGSY projects by the state government. Many departments involved in GIS activity in the state attended the workshop.
Manipur mafam kwai khwai na draw thokan ba last hi tara se khwai jam thokan ba kidang thokan ba prone areas in khoi identify te do mayam khang jagini next khoi ki landslide hazard zonation Manipur level national highway loan ma ke khoi na landslide hazard zonation haji kara khwai na landslide thokan ba susceptible area da khoi loi identify taw loi re mosing on GIS technology na adu mayam khang na for example agriculture ga mo soil health yang ga ro water resource department kara dising phangi kara catchment area kam jawi most of the departments the mosing data दरकार ओय हाई डाटा सिंग एनालिसिस तौगे जीएस हाई सॉफ्टवेयर सिंग मतेना एनालिसिस तौगदबनी अदु मसी मतंग मसी कानबा क्रमाइन तौगे हाइबो ngasi workshop mabung phana khananani.
Director of Veterinary Directorate, Dr. H. Chauba, has disclosed that the state government has given approval to purchase 15 acres more land to conserve the state's pony. He said about 50 acres of land are required to build a natural habitat for the Manipur ponies. Dr. H. Chauba was speaking at the felicitation of ICAR Breed Conservation Award 2019 awardee Dr. T.H. Ranadi, organized by Veterinary and Animal Services Manipur today. A book named Dogs Training and Care, written by former Joint Director of Veterinary and Animal Services Manipur, Dr. Y. Bira Hari, was also released at the event held at Veterinary Conference Hall in Shenzhen. Dr. H. Chauba expressed happiness that altogether 1,000 ponies, including horses, have been recorded as per the animal census in 2019. He also highlighted measures taken by the government to conserve Manipuri ponies at the event. Dr. H. Chauba said that stables and fencing for the ponies have been constructed at around 23 acres of land at Marsing Pony Complex in Hingang, and also disclosed that Veterinary Directorate has requested NARBAD to sanction 7 crore rupees under Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, for the same to which NARBAD has assured to sanction 5 crore rupees shortly. Joint Director Planning of the Veterinary Directorate, C.H. Nandakishore, Joint Director Administration, Dr. N.G. Ibotombi, and many officials of the Directorate attended the event.
Hingang da khoi Marsing Pony Complex na mafam amtang khoi na semgat chari hingang singi udong Marsing gi pangai thangba side ne ade som thangba hingang am thakba side sidan maduda khoi lam acre kulum du 23 acres samaga mena pibiraga mafam sida khoi fencing loijare stable singba saba hujari ade another 15 keno ama acre amaga khoi direct purchase oina leina na boidamakta ga mena koi approval ama cabinet state cabinet na so koi pibire lam se koi atu bada leijaraga mafam sida koi yam scientific oiba breeding pony conservation siga mari leina na koi na department gi site gi masida infrastructure se develop tong na kan honajari ara masi conservation siga mari leina na pony sing se semga na ba leidi moi gi natural habitat chu kharmakai semga na honajari.
Acting Chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission, MHRC, Khaide Mani, has assured to urge the government to frame guidelines for the private rehabilitation centers in the state. He said the same to media on the sidelines of an inspection visit to various rehabilitation centers in Imphal East. A team of MHRC visited Realized Rehabilitation Center in Mongzam Jingzing and Ribon De-Addiction Center in Wangkai today. They interacted with the representatives of the centers as well as inmates of the centers.
Report Cameron Lakpadegi, Sarkan Linkatpa Rehabilitation Center, Mayamama Leba, Adumatakta, Private Na, Lanai Muising Linkatpa, Adumba Masing Yamba, Center Kayama Leba, Ashida, Natai Chadaba, Kodong Chadaba, Muit Minika, Yauri Haibigi, Adumba Report Ama, a commission da complain when a pile Kayatorpadegi, Namdana Paragalehli, Hibernating Ba, Picatorgalehli, Hibernating Ba Harapadegi, Adumba Kanakana Karikitawi. And private killing in a Carmine Tauba, government killing in a Carmine Tauba, high share, Yang Nanaba, Masiki inspection to Nanaba, program C, Sembani. Aduga private key, Sumba, the Deduction Center Mada, Carmine Tony Courtney high share, Masi guideline, Amadile Pantoi, guideline, she later was Yauri, Yang Manisida, and a guideline share, ꯁꯦꯝꯅꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯔꯦꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯋꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ.
Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization in a press release urged the state government to put into actions its assurance to construct a house for the Meitei Bangan community in Greater Imphal at the earliest. GEC against the missing of Mohammed Kudus from Oinam Sawongbong has urged the government to uncover the missing case. GEC convener Sayer Khan warned of carrying out various kinds of protest if the government failed to trace the 22-year-old missing young man. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, convener Sayer Khan said Kudus went missing from Pradhanagar in West Bengal. He said a missing report has been filed at Wangwei police station and one suspect involved in the missing case called Ibrahim is in the police custody. Sayer Khan condemned the Wangwei police for neglecting the case. He appealed to people and CSOs to extend support in finding Kudus.
Ibrahim Alliance Saroz Hariba accused person si Wangwei PS na hoji custody Wangwei PS ke custody dile adubu mahang na Kudus si hato ko hundoma bra natragana kana gumo mafam miwa yamada mang na haibadi organs kara yon thokpagi sinaram na bra haibana singbase ngasi phawda confirm tawangam daba taseng na Kudus haiba angang si nupama si hingi bra natragana si harabra haibase ngasi phawda Lairiba police ki site ki su karigumba information amata natragan chapchaba tangdangba akogi pawdam amata ngasi pawda victim gi maikeida pirakpa leitaba sugumba leitaba sida ngasi di ekoi victim gi site gi lebang miam da khangan jeraga ngasi ekoina kudu saiba angang si thibada miam nasu mateng pangbiu.
GSC Forum Against the Death of KH Ruhit has decided to claim the body of the deceased boy kept in Jenim's morgue to perform his last rites. The GSC said the government has agreed to fulfill its demands, hence they have withdrawn their protest. Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association MHGEWA has appreciated the government for giving Home Guard employees same minimum pay scale as that of the police constables. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Association President Y. Mangi urged the government to fulfill the association's remaining demands at the earliest. He stressed on the need for a Commandant General Home Guard as per the Act and rules of the Home Guard. Y. Mangi demanded the relevant department to review the report of the committee led by IGP Guite for a transparent and fair promotion and to keep a separate women division as there are more than 700 women Home Guard employees. He also demanded removal of battalion commanders appointed illegally and to appoint only after a cabinet approval. The association president said that special teams of the association will check on Home Guard employees to ensure their efficiencies.
Haujidi sarkana tolop chauna pibirabanina Manipur gi Home Guard leiriba Home Guard personnel singa se ai isa gi duty tawrasi thola o la o haidana hayeng dagi hona tarik manga dagi hona association na task force ama semaga koi drive tawdori haiba chakadori masida Home Guard personnel singna su chapchana matam chana thokpiro sarkar gi paisa chapchana phangabanina commander leiriba Home Guard gi commander singna su masida cooperation pibiu aduga sarkar na su masida commander singda amadi association da chapchaba pautak pibidana association bu thaudaroi wena sinabiu mateng pangjage.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on $12 billion aid package announced by World Bank to help countries COVID coronavirus outbreak. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. World Bank has unveiled a $12 billion aid package that will provide fast-track funds to help countries combat the coronavirus outbreak. World Bank President David Malpass told reporters that the goal is to provide fast, effective action that responds to country needs. The funds, some of which are targeted to the world's poorest nations, can be used for medical equipment or health services and will include expertise and policy advice. Malpass said that the money will go to countries that request help. The bank has been in contact with many member nations, but he did not specify which are likely to be the first to receive the aid. Tongbram Construction and Marketing Private Limited plans to open a liquefied petroleum gas LPG bottling plant in Hairok to help in reducing environmental pollution. Speaking to media at TCM office in Sangay Prau today, Managing Director of the company, Jinkainganba Tongbram, said under a company's scheme, LPG auto rickshaws will be distributed to scheme members. He added that LPG filling points will be opened at 13 different places.
Hojik akoina hariba akoigi LPG na sinariba auto sise filling point akoina hojik running oina akoi under process ta ai mafam taram doida akoina plan tawraga hojik license kana koi pinena bagida akoi sem sare aduga iroina na hairok ta akoi haiba kano se akoi LPG kano se akoi stock tawna bagida akoi plan tawraga hojik stock worksite hojik kana akoi tabak suri mase sahi ama makhai di koi sanghini aduga pamji da maktadi akoi mathangi laiba hanak laiba September 2020 sidadi akoi miam da hariba kano se akoi phangan mangam ngani hena akoi thajai.
All India Federation of Master Printers AIFMP began its 248 Governing Council meeting today. One of the AIFMP branch, All Manipur Press Association, hosted the annual meeting at Hotel Classic Grand in Jingmei-rong. Taking part in the event, AIFMP Vice President Rabindra Joshi blamed the implementation of Goods and Services Tax (GST) for the downfall of the printing sector. He said the meeting will discuss on measures to advance the sector. Rabindra Joshi said that there are 250,000 master printers in the country and the number of master printers in the northeast states have increased recently. He also stressed the need for advanced printing technology to enhance the sector. AMPA Chairman S. Sursit and AIFMP members from across the country attended the meeting.
Contrast to our internal printing business, the government is putting some regulation, enactments, whether how to put a representation, how to try to resolve the problems. This we take a decision here and we represent the printing industry with the government of India in different segments. It may be import, it may be taxation, it may be other parts of it, maybe labor problem, labor laws. So our job is to represent printing business on all-India basis with central government and try to see that whatever the government is functioning, nothing is happening wrong with our interests.
To the National Conference on Convergence of the Ethical Values of Education into Practice, kicked off at the auditorium of Institute of Rural Education, IRE at Wongsing in Thabal district today. Director of Netaji Subhas Open University, Kolkata, Professor Atindranath, kicked off the conference organized by College of Education of the Institute. Manipur University Professor N. Das Mohant and many eminent people attended the event. Many resource persons read papers on the theme. Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch along with IRCS National Headquarters New Delhi held one-day orientation program on volunteers under Family News Service, restoration of family link at its hold in MG Avenue today. Sudhakar Babu Pachiti and Bubul Mosri of IRCS New Delhi were the resource persons of the program held under International Committee of Red Cross National Headquarters. Members of the Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch of the Imphal East, Imphal West, Jiribam, Ukhrul, Chandel, Senapati and Chorchampu districts attended the event. One-day training program on scope for mobilizing locally available bioresources for generating income under Manipur Small Business Consortium and Krisi Vigyan Kendra, Chorchampu District was held at KVK Training Hall in Pearson Village, Chorchampu District today. Speaking at the event, Project Coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, MS Kaidim, said that the program will greatly facilitate the farmers in producing various products using bioagricultural resources to generate their incomes. Senior Scientist and Head of KVK Chorchampur, Dr. S. Roma, District Officer Horticulture and Science Chorchampur, K. Subhachandra and District Agriculture Officer Chorchampur, and Zingzialian attended the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯔ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ 15 lakhs up to maximum of 15 lakhs ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯔ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯎꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯅꯤ or maximum of 15 lakhs ꯄꯤꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯐꯥꯔꯃꯔꯁ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯔ ꯀꯝꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯖꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯕꯤꯍꯥꯐꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ SFSCꯅ credit guarantee fund haidana makoi damak total security ama up to maximum of 80 lakhs pigani makoi na khara ma puthuk sagani adu bank ta moi security oina 80 lakhs boy kun security piraga project adu pakhalan nai mateng.
Imphal City's first exclusive store of men's clothing brand Indian Terrain was opened at Thangmeiban Maisnam Laikai today. Proprietor of the exclusive store, Hirandu Guizam, said casual shirts, khakis, t-shirt, knitwear, jacket, denims and many other items will be available in the store. He said the brand founded in 2000 introduced Indian Terrain boy clothing for the age group of 4 to 16 years in 2015. He said the boys' clothing will also be available in the store.
Sida yaurisina men ka boys ki collection ni denim khaki cotton collection adum lay aduga price range ta su affordable oiba quality su phaba adu mayam da media gi through the request tawningi lakpiu store da akoi offer su pizari aduga yengbiu product se try tawbiu soidana pamni na khali.
Film Forum Manipur in a press release notified that annual 8th Nongin Manipuri Music Video Award 2020 will be held at MSFTS Auditorium on April 19. Those interested to take part in the festival may contact the forum till April 2. House of Allegiance donated food items and basic necessities to the aged inmates of an old-age home, Santi Laishram in Gumbi today. Speaking on the sidelines, founder member of the House of Allegiance, Konika Kuraisam said House of Allegiance formed by beauty peasant winners donated the items on occasion of the upcoming Yaosang festival. Members of the House of the Allegiance showcased entertainment items for the senior citizens on the occasion. A team of Thawal District Police arrested a drug peddler in possession of 18,000 World is Yours tablet from Yeripok Bazaar, Torban Pareng around 8:40 a.m. today. The arrested person is 29 years old, Limzao Pao Haukip alias Papao, son of Saiko Sai Hauke from Bompang Kuling of Saisang village in Kampongpi district. Sources said Yeripok police personnel along with Yeripok police station inspector Muhammad Riyauddin Saha under the supervision of Thawal district SP Dr. S. Ibomja arrested the miscreant. Yeripok police station has registered a case against Lim Jiao Pao Haukip and investigations are underway. A special team of Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada carried out an anti-drug drive at Rice Hotel in Nagamapal, Punsi Kaitel and seized 470 liters of country liquors and many foreign liquors today. The seized items were destroyed. Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Lepao Haukip has appealed to stop destroying playgrounds at every localities in the name of construction. He was speaking at the valedictory event of 15 Karam Biramani Memorial State Level Open Volleyball Tournament 2020 at Putibo Ground in Lilongchajing, Mairingkhong, Lekai today. Mairingkhong Rising Club organized the tournament since March 1. Speaking at the event, Lepao Haukip said sports play an important role in keeping youths away from drugs and substance abuse. He stressed on proper maintenance of playgrounds in every locality. Minister Lepao Haukip assured to renovate Kangsebong ground of Lilongchajing under Khelo India at an estimate amount of 2 crore 80 lakh rupees.
Chaukhатpagi mamingda building sabai mamingda community hall sabai mamingda akoi gi lekai gi lampak ma hanbasi toksi na tunggi yumbire noira kadoba na haron singa se masa ma ong phanna thamnaba hotnabada gallery gi stadium gi darkar leite lekai da lampak amamam piraga moigi advanced stage sida mana pamjaba masana amamam khala kanda sanaraga mapunsi si afaba mi ama oinabada mateng yam tauba adumba lampak si yam darkar oibane na ai lojai Khelo India gi makhada masigi Kangjebung se lupa karol 2 lakh 30 gi sanction tawre na lauthokcharamge.
The volleyball tournament was dedicated to the late father of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam. Speaking at the valedictory event, Minister Karam Shyam said the state-level tournament aimed to make youths healthy and to preserve the dying volleyball sport. Manipur Police Sports Club beat TRY-VC Ukhrul 3-2 in the last match yet today.
Manipur Sanabagi Lamda Suki Mangjin Tharava State ne Hiram Khuding Mukta Bharat ke so state singa lamba tawna bada thudongna somningai oidravani adubu akoi khwaidagi maru oiribadi hojikti nisagi pakta border area wena tawunina masagi oijaba thiba drug ki karbar tawba drug manufacture tawba mayam ama tholokpa sina akoi Manipur da lariba praja sina aigi icha issue singse ama natraga amadi sanahanbagi hojik matam oire maramdi Sanaroi Singse, Masana Masabu Nungsije, Nisanu Sadagi, Laptop Nanabi, Chobo Wakalonama, and the Moidagi, Pohle.
Yes School MLA DHT Bretta launched the first day and night open for A-Side Soccer Tournament 2020 at United Youth Organization UYO ground in Singsamai Wangba, Begapati Lekai today. The tournament was dedicated to his late mother, Tokchom Anobi. Altogether, 36 teams are competing in the tournament organized by UYO. In an effort to develop playgrounds in Yas School constituency, Yas School MLA DH Sati Brita today inaugurated new playground fence of the United Youth Organization UYO in Singsamai Wangba Begapati Lekai of Yas School constituency. UYO President Tinguzam Prameshwar and many locals attended the event.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯐꯝ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯃꯥꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯊꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯒꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ UYOꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯀꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇꯪ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤन ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯝꯄꯥꯛꯁꯤ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗ ꯄꯦꯟꯕꯤꯕꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯍꯟꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ.
Manipur Sports House has backed the men's championship title of the SBN National Inclusion Slim Soccer Cup 2020 organized by Sony Picture Network in Goa held from February 28 till March 3. Manipur's men teamed players Jinkringanba and Hemba have also bagged the best goalkeeper and best soccer titles respectively. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur Police brings back wanted chairman of proscribed Kangleipak Communist Party People's War Group, Lamyan Bakhumand, and his associate under tight security in Imphal. Unceasing sand clearing activities using heavy machineries in spite of High Court's ban pollute Imphal River. And Minister Latpal Hawkip appeals to destroying playgrounds in the name of construction, assures of revamping Lilongcha Zingkang Zebung under Khelo India.